All right, I need a little space for this, so I got out a scratch piece of paper. We're sketching a graph and writing an equation of a parabola that has the same vertex and a value as this parabola, but is oriented towards the right. So we want to have our parabola look like that. Now look, this is a y equals x squared. So this one is either going to be going up or down. So once we move this into the right format to figure out what the vertex and parabola and the a value is, then we need to go ahead and orient it to the right. So let's go ahead and put our x's together and move our y's together on the other side. When I move it over and I move it over, remember you need to have the opposite signs. Divide by 2 and square. Remember you're dividing that by 2 and squaring. Add that value to both sides. Square root, sign of the middle. Square root, sign of the middle equals, and then I'm going to pull out a negative 16. I'm going to be left with y plus, because this is negative 48. When I pull out a negative answer, I get a positive, plus 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and move the 16 over. So I have negative 1/16 x minus 1 squared equals y plus 3. So that is my equation, which gives me my vertex, opposite, and my a value, which is 1, that's an interesting way of writing a fraction, nice try there, 1/16. But I want it to be opening to the right, which means I need to have my y be the one that's squared and my x be the one that's not squared. So the nice thing is I still want my a value here, but I want it to be positive and not negative because I want it to be opening in the positive direction this way here. And then I do want the same vertex, so my 1 is now going to have to be moved over here, negative 1 and positive 3. So it's still with the same ones, it's just the different ones are squared, and of course this needs to stay with the squared term. So the graph would be positive 1, negative 3. My p value is equal to 4 because 1/4p is 1/16, so 4 would be the number. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And put the Cheerio in the bowl, and we're good to go.